Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode of DIY Home Hacks, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to make your home life easier and more enjoyable. Got a sweet tooth or craving some homemade goodness? Well, you're in for a treat today. Today, I'm diving into some easy DIY recipes you can whip up right at home. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, these recipes are perfect for everyone. Don't worry, you don't need fancy equipment or a culinary degree. Just a few basic tools, some simple ingredients, and a passion for creating delicious food. Just a love for good food, and a bit of patience. Let's get started. Trust me, the results will be worth it. First up, homemade ice cream without a machine. Sounds impossible? Nah, it's super simple. And the best part, you can customize it with your favorite flavors. All you need are 3 ingredients: heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla extract. You can also add mix-ins like chocolate chips, fruit, or nuts. Whip the cream till stiff peaks form, fold in the condensed milk and vanilla, freeze for a few hours, and voila! You've got yourself some creamy, dreamy ice cream. Creamy, dreamy ice cream, just like that, perfect for a hot summer day or a cozy movie night. Next, the timeless classic, sourdough bread. There's something so satisfying about baking your own bread. If you've ever wanted to bake bread that's both crunchy and soft, this one's for you. The crust is perfectly crunchy, and the inside is soft and chewy. You'll need a sourdough starter, flour, water, and salt. The starter is what gives the bread its unique flavor and texture. Mix the starter with water, add the flour, and let it sit. This process allows the dough to develop its flavor. Then it's all about the stretch and fold technique. This helps to build the dough's structure and strength. Let it rise, shape it, and bake in a hot preheated Dutch oven. The result? A beautiful loaf of bread with a golden crust and a soft, airy interior. A loaf so perfect, it's Instagram-worthy. You'll be proud to share it with friends and family. Lastly, let's talk about those super easy 3-ingredient recipes. These are perfect for when you're short on time but still want something delicious. Here's a quick one: peanut butter cookies. They're so simple, yet so tasty. Just mix 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. That's it, no need for flour or butter. Scoop, flatten, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. That's it. In no time, you'll have a batch of delicious cookies. Delicious cookies ready in no time. Perfect for a quick snack or a sweet treat after dinner. So there you have it, 3 easy and delicious recipes you can make at home. Homemade ice cream, perfect sourdough, and simple peanut butter cookies. Easy, right? And so rewarding. Give these a try and let me know how they turn out in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback and see your creations. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more delicious DIY recipes and home hacks. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking! Subscribe to Nourish Nest. Keep experimenting and enjoying your time in the kitchen. See you soon!